Guys, I have recently made this website and I have inserted a smart link on this website. Let me show you how you can get movie related users on this website. You can watch this full video. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. Guys, I have made this website using Google Sites. I have inserted a smart link on this text. This is a part 2. You can watch my previous video to learn how to make this kind of website and how to insert a smart link on this website. You can check link in the description. Guys, I wanna share with you this platform called rumble.com. This is a great and most popular platform. Guys, here you can see this platform is getting more than 33 million visitors monthly. And here you can see top 5 countries. It's a United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany. You can get visitors from these countries. Let me show you how you can use this platform to get audience on your Google site. First of all, you will have to create an account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type here your email address. You can select your date of birth and then you can click on next step button. Guys, you can create account on this platform. After creating account on this platform, you need to upload your video. You can upload your movie trailer. You can simply click on this button. Now you can click on upload video button. You can upload your movie trailer. You can type your video title. You can type your video description. Guys, you can insert your website URL in description. You can select your category. If you want, you can upload your thumbnail. You can click on upload button. For example, I'm going to upload your video. You can upload your movie trailer. You can type your title. You can type your description. You can insert your website URL. I have made this website. Click on this link icon. Here is showing link. Click on copy link button. Now go on Rumble platform. Paste your Google site URL. You can select your category. You can select your subcategory. You can select your thumbnail. Now you can type your tags. You can scroll down. You can click on upload button. Now you can scroll down. You can read and agree its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on submit button. You can click here to view your video. Guys, this video is in processing. You need to wait some time. Here is showing description and here is showing my Google site URL. When someone will click on this URL, then they are redirected on this Google site. I have inserted a smart link on this text. When someone will click on this text, then Ogads network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then Ogads may create your account. Guys, you can upload movie trailer on Rumble platform and then you can insert website URL in description. You can get lots of users from Rumble platform. If you want to learn about Ogads CPA network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.